Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mozilla VPN. First, download and install the Mozilla VPN application on your device. It's available for many platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Once installed, simply log in using your Firefox account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create. Then, choose a server location from the extensive list of over 40 countries to begin your secure browsing experience. Connecting to Mozilla VPN is straightforward. After selecting your desired server location, simply click the large toggle switch to activate the VPN. You'll see a confirmation that your connection is secure. To ensure it's working, you can quickly check your IP address online. It should now show the location of your chosen server. When you're done, just click the toggle switch once more to disconnect and return to your regular internet connection. Mozilla VPN offers several advanced features to customize your experience. For extra privacy, enable multi-hop, which routes your internet traffic through 2 separate servers instead of just one. This adds an additional layer of encryption. You can also use split tunneling to decide which applications use the VPN and which connect directly. Furthermore, custom DNS settings allow you to specify your preferred DNS server for even greater control over your online activity. If you encounter any issues, a few simple steps can help. First, always ensure your underlying internet connection is stable before attempting to connect to the VPN. If you experience slow speeds or connection drops, try switching to a different server location. Sometimes a server might be overloaded. Finally, regularly update your Mozilla VPN application to benefit from the latest security patches and performance enhancements, ensuring a smooth and reliable experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.